What if the sun suddenly turned into a black hole? No explosion, no warning flash. For about 8 minutes, nothing changes. That's how long sunlight takes to reach Earth. Then the sky goes dark. The sun disappears, replaced by a black hole with the exact same mass. But here's the shocking truth. Earth does not get sucked in. It keeps orbiting, almost perfectly unchanged. Why? Because gravity depends on mass, not appearance. A black hole with the sun's mass pulls exactly like the sun did. So at first, nothing breaks. No cosmic vacuum, no instant destruction, just darkness. But now the real problem begins. No sunlight means no energy input into Earth's system. Within days, the atmosphere begins to cool. Within a week, temperatures drop dramatically. Photosynthesis stops almost immediately. Plants die first, then herbivores, then predators. The entire food chain starts collapsing from the bottom up. But Earth doesn't freeze instantly. There is still residual heat trapped in the oceans. Deep water stays liquid much longer than the surface. But slowly, ice spreads across continents like a growing wound. Cities near the equator survive longer, but only temporarily. And then the sky changes. You would not see a black object hanging in space. Instead, you'd see a perfect dark sphere surrounded by warped starlight. This is gravitational lensing. Light from stars behind it bends around the black hole, creating a distorted halo effect. If there was gas nearby, you might see a glowing accretion disk. But replacing the sun leaves almost nothing to feed on, so the sky would be mostly silent and dark. Now imagine something humans try to do. We adapt. We build artificial light systems. We rely on nuclear energy. We move underground. Geothermal heat becomes one of the only stable energy sources left. Entire civilizations would shift beneath the surface, trying to escape the freezing crust above. But energy is limited, and maintenance becomes harder every year. After a few years, Earth reaches a new equilibrium. Surface temperatures drop below -70 degrees Celsius. Ice sheets cover most of the planet. Only deep oceans and geothermal zones still support isolated ecosystems. From space, Earth becomes a dark, frozen sphere orbiting an invisible object. And here's the final reality check. A black hole the size of the sun is not a cosmic destroyer on its own. It doesn't hunt planets. It simply sits there, silent. The real killer is not gravity. It's the absence of light, the absence of energy, the slow collapse of every system that depends on the sun. So if the sun became a black hole, we wouldn't be ripped apart. We wouldn't fall instantly. We would just continue orbiting, a dead star, slowly freezing in complete darkness.